Hi guys, I'm Laila. You're watching Laila's Home Cooking and Spices. On this episode, I want to show you how to make pan-seared salmon. So easy, so delicious for a weeknight dinner. Let's go for the ingredient first. We're gonna need some salmon fillet, some finely chopped onion, 1 clove of garlic sliced, fresh chopped parsley, a little bit of all-purpose flour, butter, fresh lemon juice, salt and pepper, and a little bit of water. Okay, my pan is heating here. I'm gonna add half of the butter. I'm gonna leave this half for later. Let this melt. In the meantime, seasoning the salmon with lots of pepper. Both sides. I'm gonna add the other side. I'm gonna season that later. Okay, that, and now the salt. Salt to taste. Now I'm gonna put the salmon on the pan. Now I want to sear the salmon. It's gonna take me about 6 to 7 minutes. Salmon is ready. I'm gonna remove them onto a plate so I can make the sauce. See, you can see the salmon has a beautiful brown goldish color. This is exactly what I want. Okay, so put that on the side. Now in the same pan, a little bit here left. I'm going to add the onion and the garlic. At this point, leave the heat on low because this is only butter. There's no oil over here, so your onion is going to burn quicker if you leave this on high at this point. Okay, so let that for a minute. Give this a minute. Okay, so now this is the all-purpose flour. What I'm gonna do is the half of the butter, I'm gonna just dig this into the flour slightly. We don't need much. I just want the sauce to be a little bit thicker. That's why. And then let this melt. The butter is melting. It's already melted, so add the lemon juice, a little bit of water, salt and pepper, parsley, this gravy has been reduced a little bit, not much. I want to add the salmon now because I want the salmon to cook a little bit with the gravy before it gets too thick. And I did remove the skin on the salmon. If you do like the skin, you can keep it. I just remove the skin and then I season the other side as well with salt and pepper. So both sides has salt and pepper. Now I want to give this a minute, and then after 1 minute I'm going to turn the salmon so it everywhere can have the sauce around the salmon. So excited. Come and check this. See this? The gravy has a beautiful amount of thickness. This is what I really want to have in my pan-seared salmon. So the heat gonna go off right now. Hope you enjoyed this video with me today. I will see you next time with another great recipe. If you did like this video, give it a like. Don't forget to subscribe and put your request in the comment section below. What do you want to see next? Right now, I'm gonna go digging into the salmon on a plate of rice or whatever you prefer, a bun, like a pasta, whatever you desire. Have your dinner ready with the salmon. So easy for a weeknight dinner. So I will see you next time with another great recipe. Bye for now.